Welcome again in our YouTube channel Orgacart. Up till now, in last videos, we have discussed various factors related to plant growth, plant diseases, various products which control plant diseases. We have also discussed some immunity factors of the plants and some products which increases the immunity of the plant. Friends, if you take good care of your plant like a baby, it will give you amazing returns. You can use some growth promoting products, that is PGRs, for increasing productivity and quality of the plant or quality of the fruit and flowers. Then you can use some products which increases immunity of the plant and which helps the plant to fight against various diseases. Still the plant develops some diseases or some pest attack, then you can use such type of product to control them. Keeping mind all this, we have developed one solution for you, and that is our gardening kit, Orgaplant Gardening Kit. It contains all the products which are necessary for creating terrace garden and kitchen garden. And best advantage is that these products are in ready to use form. You can directly spray the products on the plant and get the benefit. So order this Orgaplant Gardening Kit from our website www.orgacart.com and get home delivery of this gardening kit. And finally, before signing off, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like it, share it and comment it. See you soon in next video.